Hello healthy fam, welcome back to Live Healthy with Judith YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you an explosive recipe that can help you treat multiple sicknesses and disease. And trust me, I am not joking. You see this recipe here, it is the bomb. This is actually what our aged parents usually drink that makes them live long and healthy. So sit back and relax because I will be sharing you the individual recipe, and at the end I also added another leafy green that is so powerful. So the first leaf that we are going to be using is the African basil leaf, and this is actually called scent leaf in Nigeria. Yorubas call it efirin and Igbos call it nchao. And the next ingredient is beetroot, and beetroot is a superfood that is highly beneficial to your total heart health, as well as helping you lower excessive blood pressure and also helping you boost your immunity. And then I got my ginger, and the last but not the least ingredient that I got here is the bitter leaf, and it is botanically called Vernonia amandalina, and this leafy green is super powerful in helping you fight against so many diseases like diarrhea, antibacterial or antifungal infections, and it has lots of antioxidants. So the first thing I did was to pick each of this leafy green. You can see how I am doing it, guys. It is as easy as that. So I made sure I picked the leaves out of the stalk before I washed them, and then I also sorted the bad and dried leaves from the good ones while I was picking the leaves. So guys, if this is your first time of stopping by on this channel, please do not leave this channel until you have hit that subscribe button, and also click on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified whenever I make a new post. And then if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for sticking with us. You guys are the real MVPs and we love you so much. So guys, don't forget to also give this video a thumbs up. And after I was through with picking the leaves, I washed everything, and I also peeled that of the ginger and the beetroot. You can see from the blender, but I didn't want to waste time in showing that, and added them into my super blender to blend them to a very smoothing paste. And you can see how luscious it is looking already. And do you know that despite the unpopularity of this amazing recipe, several researchers have shown that a combination of Vernonia amandalina and this African basil has great therapeutic effect on your total health. More so, this powerful recipe I'm sharing with you contains anti-diabetic, anti-malaria, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory and anti-cancerous properties that helps you fight against several diseases and sicknesses. Wow, isn't that so amazing? I bet you want to try this recipe. So when I was done blending, I went ahead to sieve out to extract all of the juice, and I made sure I extracted every single juice out of this mixture. So do let me know if you're going to try this explosive recipe in the comment section below. And if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and join this healthy family. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up for this video and support what we do on this channel. And please do well to also share this video with someone who would love this and would benefit from it. And if you also have any ideas that relate to what we do on this channel, please do well to put it in the comment section, and we would love to read them. Lastly, you can as well watch other amazing videos we have on this channel. Until I see you again in my next video, do stay healthy and stay blessed. Bye.